Growing up, I never got to have fun. Trapping while my niggas playing manhunt. Juvenile detention if the van comes. All I want for Christmas is a handgun. Handgun, always knew I had one. Told the plug that I got him when the bag done. Grandma know I got her when them bands come. I know she don't play about her grandson. I'm granting her wishes, give her the gifts and it ain't even Christmas. Ay, stuck in the trenches, fucking up dishes. This shit ridiculous. Ay, you look suspicious. Don't tell me you snitching. I heard you dig it. I had them bitches. My uncle Robert Lee used to be pimping. I sold drugs, shovel snow, and I pumped gas. Help old people with their bags. I used to cut class. Got paid to hand flyers out. Shit, we was dumb fast. Threw them all down the sewer. We was dumb bad. My bitch dumb bad. Fucking she be dumb mad. I had to fuck her real slow because I come fast. When my brother got a gun, I wanted one bag. One day I took that shit to school in my lunch bag. Growing up, I never got to have fun. Trapping while my niggas playing manhunt. Juvenile detention if the van comes. All I want for Christmas is a handgun.
Niggas was shooting. We was in Vegas, but we wasn't hooping. My old heads was moving. They was the teachers and we was the students. There's room for improvement. Stop all the capping like Colin, just do it. You had it, you blew it. You started acting funny, that's when I knew it. Benjy, when you gon' drop some? Benjy already dropped some. Benjy jumping out on rap niggas, they like, chill Benjy, I ain't got none. Chill Benjy, man, the cops coming. Chill Benjy, man, your block jumping. Anytime Benjy go to the club, you better know his whole block coming. Fuck it up, ain't shit changed. Fuck these couches, I'm Rick James. We all drunk and ain't no point, but my man outside with a big flame. Like Amastillo got a big aim. I'm hood famous, got a big name. I just called my jeweler up, told the nigga I need a real big chain. Maybe some dumb shit. G-U. Diamonds be water. You can come see through it. I'm in the trenches. You know this that G music. You either gon' kill something or you gon' go grieve to it.
Growing up, I never got to have fun. Trapping while my niggas playing manhunt. Juvenile detention if the van comes. All I want for Christmas is a handgun.